Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of transferring a long list of contacts from your spreadsheet into your Google Contacts, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to import your contacts from Google Sheets or Excel directly into Google Contacts or Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll save tons of time, avoid manual typing, and have all your contacts neatly organized for emailing or sharing. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll need to do is save your contacts file in the right format, and that's something called a CSV file. Now, CSV stands for comma-separated values. It might sound technical, but think of it like a special kind of text file that spreadsheets and contact lists can both understand. So if your contact details are in a Google Sheet or an Excel file, open it up. Make sure all your names, emails, and phone numbers are filled in and lined up in columns. Double check for any missing info or extra rows, because what you see here is what will end up in your contacts. Once everything looks good, head up to the File menu. If you're in Google Sheets, just click File, scroll down to Download, and select Comma-Separated Values CSV Current Sheet from the options. In Excel, it's similar. You'll also find an option to save or export as CSV. The key here is making sure you're using the CSV format because Google Contacts needs it to figure out where each piece of information, like first name, last name, or phone number, goes. This step is crucial, so try not to rush it. Saving as a CSV might take a few seconds, and don't worry if your computer asks you where to save. Just pick a spot you'll remember, like your desktop or Downloads folder. Now with your file ready, we're moving over to Google Contacts. Open up a new tab in your browser and search for Google Contacts. Or if you're already in Gmail, just click the little Google Apps grid in the top right and select Contacts from there. This brings you into your Contact Management Hub. This is where all your existing and future contacts live. Look for the Import option on the side menu. It should be pretty easy to spot. Click Import, and then you'll be prompted to select the file you just saved. Go ahead and click Select File, find your CSV file, and hit Import. Now you might see a loading screen for a few moments. This is totally normal, especially if you're importing a large list. Just be patient, and when it's done, you'll get a confirmation, and your new contacts will appear right there in your list ready to use. If you ever need to add just one or two new contacts, you'll notice you can click Create Contact to add them individually. But I always say if you've got a whole batch, importing is so much faster and helps you stay organized, especially if you're working with teams, event lists, or family contacts. And that's really all there is to it. You've just saved yourself a ton of manual typing, and now your contacts are right where you need them in Gmail or your Google account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe your CSV didn't import quite right or you're looking for tips on formatting, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another time-saving tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.